What's up, everybody? Nolan of Black Diamond Services. I got a request for a video. The guy who called it, he wanted to see the chocolate milk, which I thought was funny. So, here's the chocolate milk. Whew. This is a carpet job and some tile I've been doing. Still got to work on the carpet. But that is, now it looks like fat-free chocolate milk. If that makes any sense. But mostly yellow now. Must be at the pet urine that was in this carpet job. Actually, still working on that carpet, so I'm going to have some more chocolate milk and yellow coming through here soon. Just need to drain the tank and use their drain out here. Since their front yard is very small, it is okay to drain on the lawn. You just don't want it to go into the gutters. But when they have a drain like this is always the first choice, no matter what. But yeah, that's gross, right? Wow. That tells me my machine's doing its job, right? Getting a bunch of stuff out. It's always good. Alright, hope you enjoyed that chocolate milk video. Nolan of Black Diamond Services. Have a great day.